2, 1. Welcome back, everybody, to what I call Andy's happy time. No, it's just another over-under. We are live. We have people in the background. There's actually a butt crack in the background right now if you want to see it. Yes, you can see a butt crack right now if you really wanted to, but the guy that's running the camera is not going to go over there. But here we go. We got an over-under for you. I'm not too excited about it, but Jordan seems to be, so he wants me to do this one. He's been pushing it for like 3 weeks. He's been pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. But we got the Allison XB-21 Bassport. Bassport. Didn't we have a bass boat that was the Bassport at one time that we talked about? That was maybe. Oh, that was the Scalper. Right, the Scalper. My bad. The Allison XB-21 Bassport Pro Elite. You Allison people, you've wanted this. You've been kicking and pushing and crawling and punching and just having a good old time with it, but we got it for you. We got it. We made a phone call and we got a secretary that told us to send me an email. So we sent her an email. You know what we heard back? Nothing. No. So Jordan went on the website, did the boat build, forwarded it to a dealer. They'll get back to you. Nah, they won't get back to you. Not once, not twice, 3 times. So you struck out. Strike 3, batter out. We're gonna build it on our own. We're gonna do it our way. So is it right? Is it wrong? Hell, we don't know because nobody gets back to us. But we wanna make you guys happy. So here's our best over-under of the 21 XB Bassport Pro Elite. You ready? Starting price, boat and trailer. I got myself a hull and I got a trailer. $63,500 and you gotta use an oar. You gotta use an oar. At $63,500, you can just. That don't have a trolling motor on, does it, at $63,500? Yeah, it's gotta have a troller. We're gonna put a trolling motor on. It's probably a 24 volt. So maybe you could use your trolling motor with some batteries. But doesn't matter what's got on it, we're gonna take it off anyway because we're putting our stuff on. We did a lot of research. There were some Altera options for this. We did find one with an Ultrex. Of course, we got the Ghost option, but we're sticking with our Ultrex. 112 Ultrex, iPilot link up front, 331s, not in the back, in the front of the Allison. They're in the front of the boat, just so you know that. 4-bank charger, 27 series in the back, correct? In the back, Jack. 27 series in the back. The 464 bank charger like we always use. Console electronics. This is kind of where it gets a little tricky. Huh? Little Run DMC? Anybody? Neil? Run DMC? I thought it was pretty good actually. So the console electronics, we got one console mounted Humminbird Helix 10. Thunk! Right here. It's like, all right, here's my 10, all right? So they give us an option to be able to gunnel mount. Over here, we can gunnel mount another one. So we did that. We put a 10 MSI there. So we got duals, Gen 4s running right here. We got 2 10s. At the bow, they don't give us an option, right, Jordan? There's no option up there for an electronic. They don't sell you an option. They had a Lowrance at the console. We threw that away. We gave it back to them. But the bow electronics, they have this thing called the E-Ped mount. You should go check it out. It's kind of cool. So we put our 12 up there, 112, we got 112 MDI, punk, right down at there. It's an E-Ped, so what you can do is you can actually get off your pedestal. I'm gonna go down here, bend over, pull it up. So it's like 18 inches, 20 inches maybe off the ground, so it's a little bit higher. It's their E-Ped. Am I still in focus? We're good? All right, good. I just wanna make sure I put my ass back in the right spot. It was comfortable there, so I left it there. So it's got an E-Ped situation lift. So we're gonna go with that on the 12, and then we get into the miscellaneous options. This is where it kind of gets really cool. The miscellaneous options inside of this Allison, all right? You got the 2 power pole blades on the back, the custom cover, Allison, the Allison custom hot foot. We're custom hot footing Allison. Is there anything cool about this hot foot? It says Allison on it? Top loaded Allison. Okay, stop load and use them all the time. 10-inch Bob's hydraulic jack plate, lever trims. We're back to levers, lever trims on this one. The Allison auto style shifter. So it's like really quick, like a Hurst shifter back in the day. No, I'm sorry, no, my bad. We're back in a boat, my bad. There he goes, you hear him? He's got the Allison special shifter in the back. All right, and then we got the Allison Design C-Star hydraulic steering. That seems like a lot. But that's the Allison designed C-Star Tournament Series hydraulic steering, which I know it's the Tournament Series. We just did one, had to replace one. A little bit of leakage in the back, so we replaced it. It is a pretty cool system. There was a day when you weren't as lazy, you did that by hand. God damn it, guy. Anyway, I'm back, hi. Anyway, we got the Mercury SmartCraft gauge, which is sitting right here so you can see what's going on. We've got the patented skid planer. The patented skid planer. That's the 3 seconds they're claiming on plane with this 250, 1000, 2, 1003, up and going like a mother. 3 seconds. And then, my favorite thing in the world, it's got a potty seat. It has a pooping chair in it. You can deuce in your Allison. It is so cool. I don't know how it works. I think they maybe got a bag that you can poop into that's got a little seat. No, you just poop in the cooler. You literally just shit in the cooler. That is so cool. I love it. We can shit in the cooler. Yes! You can poop in the cooler in your Allison, and then you just wipe it up. I'm not gonna poop in my cooler. I don't care what you do. You put a potty seat there. I am not deucing in my cooler. I'm gonna hang my white ass over the side, so when you drive by, you get to see my white ass hanging out and some stuff coming out, if you know what I mean. I am not shitting in my boat. I'm gonna shit in the water. There's no way around it. I'm gonna shit in a live well if I have to. And then I'm just gonna hit the recirc and recirc it like it's a toilet and pump it out. That's what I'm gonna do. I mean, it is what it is. I'm not pooping in my cooler. It's just not gonna happen. There's no need for a potty seat in my boat. I don't care if it's $70,000. I don't want a shit stool sitting on my boat. Because you know what that does? That puts the big guy that you get tournament day, co-angler that you don't know, he's gonna see the potty seat and say, oh man, I gotta poop. You're gonna be casting and all you're gonna hear is there's crap flowing into your, no, that is not what you need to do. That dude can shit overboard for all I care. You're not shitting in my boat. No potty seat. No, but I have to get it with this boat. So the potty seat thing, I don't like. I don't want anybody pooping in my boat. You poop overboard. If you gotta poop bad enough, I don't know, sit on the live well and we'll recirc it and dump it in the neighbor's lawn when we get back home. We're not pooping in the goddamn cooler. All right, I'm back. Trailer options. This is where we had some problems. We didn't know what the trailer options were. We kind of were winging it on this one. Tandem axle trailer, ratchet tie downs, disc brakes, second axle, swing away tongue. That's it. That's all I know. There's nothing more I can do about it. That's what you're getting. That's all you're gonna get. So we got the 112, 331s up front, 127 in the back, the Minn Kota 460 like we always do. Dual 10s at the console with the gunnel mount. And then we got the 12 up front on the kick-ass E-ped. Then we got the kick-ass power pole. And they come with you gotta have Allison brackets, so we don't know what's going on there. Allison special brackets. Allison wouldn't get back to us about the special brackets. So this is where you guys comment, hey, I got that, this is what they are. And then you got the Bob's jack plate, the stupid lever trims, which I call blinker trims. You got the bad shifter. You got the hydraulic steering. The Merc SmartCraft gauge, you got the skid planer to get going, and then you got the seat. So you got the seat in the boat. It's just pretty simple trailer, tandem axle trailer, ratchet tie downs, disc brakes, second axle, swing away tongue, all for a grand total with your 250 Pro XS Mercury. For a grand total of, Neil?
A lot.
He said it, a lot. Are you ready? It's not. It's only $102,400. We did it. We broke 100K. We broke 100K. Everybody, 100K. Everybody. Yay, 100K. Yeah, 100K. We did it. We broke 100K with the Allison XB-21 Bassport Elite. All you guys that were saying before, $70,000 is too much. You're all gonna have a heart attack and fall off your damn chair and go. 102,000, two units at the front, or at the console, 1 unit up front, 112, 3 batteries, 1 in the back. You get this kick-ass skid plate, you get a seat, you get a Merc on it, everything else, all done for $102,400. The Allison guys are gonna love it, I think. I think you're gonna be all, here we got it. We are the ones that broke it, but in my eyes, no, it's overpriced. It's overpriced. It has to be overpriced. I mean, literally, it has to be overpriced at $102,000. And I don't know any like pros that are that are even running one or anything else like that. I mean, I've seen 4, 5, 6 here. They don't give me the wow factor. They don't really give me that, wow, this is some cool stuff. I mean, it's got a shit seat. You're gonna have to edit shit like 6 times. Don't miss one this time, all right? No, there's nothing really here that blows my mind. Boat starts out at 64,000, rounded up. You put a Merc on it, put some of this stuff on it, you get up to 102,400 bucks. It's overpriced. Can't see it, can't buy it. I'm not gonna get it, so it's overpriced. Allison guys probably are like, no, dude, that's it. That's the way it is. I get it. You like that. That's cool. I haven't heard nothing bad about the physical boat itself. The boat itself. They talk on their website about how they are at 80 miles an hour getting better fuel mileage than guys doing 50. What is that? 53, 35? Doing better than guys averaging 35, 40 miles an hour. So they're a slippery, wet boat that just slides across the water. So I mean, they do a lot of good things. I think on plane. I know they do a lot of good things with ride for the boat that it is. I've heard a lot of good things about the ride. But at 102,400 bucks, I'm not gonna do it. I won't do it. It's overpriced in my eyes. We needed to be like right around 85-ish, 86-ish. That probably would have been okay. We're at 102. We broke 100 grand, and there you go. It's your first $100,000 over under, and we didn't even get to put all of our stuff on it. What do you think of that? Ha! Great deal. All right, so it's over with. The Allison XB with the seat is 21 Pro Sport, Pro Elite with pooper is overpriced in my eyes. So for all you Allison guys, I apologize, but $102,000 is a lot of money for any guy, especially like my nephew who barely got $4 in his account probably. But here we go. It's overpriced. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. And like we always say, comment, subscribe, click notification bell to witness the madness that Neil is now saying every time he goes home and he looks at his wife and gives her a big hug. Hey honey, I love you, but you know what life's about? Speed, money, and no brakes. I am out. See ya.